This is question number 9 from the June 2016 Geometry Regents exam. In this question, we've got a parallelogram ABCD. When we know that A diagonals AC and BD intersect at E. So I just kind of added in a clip right here to help you visualize what's going on. And which statement does not prove that the parallelogram is a rhombus? So obviously in the diagram here, we are dealing with a rhombus. So let's go ahead and start with looking at option number 4. It says that the line AC bisects the angle DCB. Now that is always going to be true, and that's the case if you are dealing with a rhombus. This diagonal line here from A to C is going to bisect that angle exactly in half, so that checks out. The second one says that the lines AC and DB are perpendicular, and that is always the case when we're dealing with a rhombus. You can see in the diagram yourself that this has to be a 90-degree angle in the center there. Okay, how about option number 2? It says that the lines AB and BC are congruent or equal to each other. And we can see in the diagram that that is always going to be the case in a rhombus. This line here and the line from B to C, they have to be equal. That's what a rhombus is. It has 4 equal side lengths. So that checks out. So it turns out it's actually option number 1 that does not prove that it's a rhombus. And that one says that the line from A to C, our diagonal line here, is equal to the distance from D to B. I mean, you can kind of tell just from the drawing yourself that that's not the case with the rhombus. This one diagonal is longer than the other one, right? So, in fact, if they were equal length, then you would not be dealing with a rhombus. So that would be our solution. So I hope that was helpful and made sense, and that's it for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.